Nemesis. Hi, Slim Peacewood. You just won a handicap match fairly easy against Gravedigger and Yellow Skull. You were gonna thrash John Exactly, most likely. But, I've noticed something. You've known about your match at Immortality for your title against Hurricane Ivan for like a while now, but you haven't talked about it at all. Is there any reason behind this?
Hurricane Ivan. You mean in a slump, 1 win, bunch of losses lately? I don't see Ivan as a competitor. Hurricane Ivan doesn't sit with me. I don't think it's going to be any competition, any kind of challenge whatsoever.
Even though he won? Oh my.
You heard what I said?
Ladies and gentlemen, a stare-off between Hurricane Ivan and Nemesis.